Yeah. Who's pumped? If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content here. Click on the bell. Be a part of the notification. Okay. First and foremost, guys, I want to say Happy New Year's to you guys. Hopefully you guys had an awesome New Year's Eve or New Year's Day today. Hope you guys did not drink too much. If so, come on by, guys. I'm making Gỏi Cuốn or Vietnamese rice rolls. Come through. We'll first start off like this, guys. So I got some pork loin here and I got some shrimp. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season my water with 1 tablespoon. Not now. 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna take my pork loin. I'm just gonna dunk it in, guys, and we're gonna boil this for about 2 hours. Shrimp, just gonna go in for about 3 to 5 minutes. Got this, guys, Golden Swallow. It's a rice vermicelli brand I'm using. Just soaking this for the time being. 3 minutes up, I'm just gonna dump off my shrimp. I'm gonna run it through cold water just to stop the cooking. Next, guys, got 2 pounds of ground pork here. We're making Vietnamese pork sweet sausage. So this is nem, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons brown sugar. I got roasted rice powder right here, which I'm just gonna add in 2 tablespoons of. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika. Go in with 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, tablespoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of star anise powder, 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Press in 1 tablespoon of garlic. Last but not least, guys, red food coloring or beetle juice. So this is the reason why nam nuong is the color red it is. So food coloring. Take your beautiful clean hand, mix that in, guys. Mix that in real good. Once you got that nice and mixed, guys, I'm just gonna throw it into my bread pan here. Under the bread pan is a water bath type deal. So it's gonna be baking and steaming at the same time, guys. So into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes, guys. Next, peanut sauce. So I got 1 tablespoon of olive oil going in. I'm gonna press in 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 cup of our chunky peanut butter. I'm going with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Hoisin, guys, not poison, hoisin with the H. Then this sauce out with 1 cup of water, 1/2 can or 1/2 cup of coconut milk, and guys, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm also gonna enhance everything with some salt and some pepper. There it is. Last thing, guys, we got our hydrated vermicelli going into the pool of water. Everybody in. I don't care if you can swim, just get in. Cooking time, 5 to 8 minutes. I want to stop the cooking, so I'm gonna run it under cold water. Time to prepare our meat. So for our shrimp, we're just gonna have them like that. Simple and easy. Be careful, guys. Don't rush this process. Next, we got our sliced pork, which we're just gonna slice into thin pieces. Make sure it cools down before you guys cut it, because it is hot. Lastly, our Vietnamese pork meatloaf or nem. I should let this cool down, but I have no time. So you want to thinly slice this meatloaf, thin as possible. Make sure you let this cool before you guys cut it. All right. All right. Let's set this up. So we got our vermicelli, we got our leafy lettuce or just lettuce, we got some garlic chives, we got some cilantro, we got some dill, and that's all we got. We got our meat, so we got our nam, we got our pork, and we got our shrimp, we got our rice paper, and this is how we started up. So we take our rice paper, we're gonna hydrate it again in some hot water. Once you got that nice and hydrated, we're gonna throw it onto our cutting board. Take a piece of our lettuce, just a nice light little piece. We're gonna take some of our vermicelli, place it down. We're gonna take some of our cilantro, mint makes this dish, but I got some dill. All we're gonna do now, take your pork or your steamed pork or your boiled pork, place it down there or down under. You're gonna take your shrimp and you're gonna place the red side up. So pretty much you have 3 rows. So you have lettuce, noodles, and your herbs. The second row you have your pork. Third row you got your shrimp. I'm gonna take some of that nam here that we made, or Vietnamese pork roll. Very crucial part, guys. Don't skip this step. So you take your garlic chives, leave it on the side. I know there's a lot of steps to this, but I promise you it'll come out looking nice. So all you do now is just roll it up, guys. So roll this up, tuck and roll, keep tucking and rolling. Once you hit the pork, we're gonna fold it. Once you got that nice and folded, you take your chives or your garlic chives or your green onion, doesn't matter what it is. We're gonna place it in and we're gonna continue rolling and tucking. There it is, your first Gỏi Cuốn roll. At a different angle, so you got your hydrated rice roll. You wanna get your lettuce. Just a piece, maybe half of that. You wanna get some vermicelli, just a bit. You wanna get some herbs, just a tad. Get some dill. You wanna make 3 rolls, so you got your pork here. I know, guys, I kind of overboiled it, but still all good. You want your shrimp. You're gonna get your nam. You're gonna get your chives ready. Then we start rolling. Fold. Throw in your chives. Fold it up. Here it is. Your perfect Gỏi Cuốn, or I want to say summer roll or spring roll. I don't know. Whatever you guys call it, that's how you drink it. Just look at these guys. So you want to throw the shrimp side up. Last few going on. The peanut sauce. I'm just gonna cover this little gap here. The nice cilantro bush. There it is, guys. The first meal of 2018. Started off right. Time to get into this, guys, finally. So Vietnamese Gỏi Cuốn, or what is this called? Summer or spring roll. I guess it's summer roll. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna dunk it into our peanut sauce and our poison sauce. Poison sauce. Guys, go ahead. Take the first bite of this. Quick time. Yes, got it. Nice. A palm. I want to say this. If you guys have not tried this wrap ever before, you guys are gonna need to make a Vietnamese friend or find a Vietnamese restaurant and try this out. I want to say by itself, I'll say it still be tasty, but you need the sauce with this. I'll squeeze some of this in. Nice, light, high in protein. And you cannot forget the most delicious thing ever.
Simple and tasty. Mmm. Mmm. Traditionally, it's just the boiled pork and the boiled shrimp. No Vietnamese sausage in there. Let me say this. To who may it concern? No. To all the Vietnamese restaurants out there. When you guys make your Gỏi Cuốn or Bánh Cuốn, don't cheap out. Put the nam in there. Put this style nam, your style nam, any style nam in your Gỏi Cuốn with your shrimp and your boiled pork. Watch your customer eyes pop out of their head. In every bite. You gotta have that 3 meat combo. That's what makes it. I hope everybody didn't drink too much or are recovering or is just recovering right now. I don't know how you guys do it. Back in the day, I used to drink a lot. Now, I drink like barely a cup. But I get the worst hangover ever. A hangover I can't even explain. The most unmotivating hangover ever. And it doesn't last a day. It lasts like a week or two. Just to snap out of it. Look at that. Have another bite of that. I know I bit it already, but look at that perfect bite I just did on that. Nice. It's beautiful. You gotta love that 3 combo meat in this. Welcome to 2018, guys. The food adventure has begun. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up one of your bomb shirts. Like to share this. Creeping in the back. What's up, creeper? You just finished your nap or what? Huh? Kitty? You wanna say hi to everybody? Come here. Look what I have. Come here. Look what I have. You little brat. You don't want it? Yeah, put it down for you. You don't want it? You little brat. Peace out.